Hi, David Henson here from HensonFuerst Attorneys. We investigate serious car wreck cases all over the state of North Carolina. People tend to focus on who was at fault, the other driver or the drivers, but as lawyers who investigate auto wrecks, we're also concerned with whether there was a problem in how the vehicle was manufactured. In other words, was there a defect in the way the car was built or designed? Now this is complicated stuff, so complicated that we sometimes need to get experts like accident reconstruction engineers to help us sort out the details of the crash. Today I want to talk to you about three of the most common defects that we see. Number one, roof crush. A roof crush defect is caused by a structural weakness or problem in the pillars that hold up the roof of the vehicle. Roof crush typically falls into one of two categories: design defect or manufacturing defect. A design defect happens when the pillar is not strong enough to support the weight of the vehicle, causing the roof to cave in during a rollover. A manufacturing defect is a problem with the way the roof is made. For example, the structure may not be welded in enough spots or in the correct spots, or the welding overall may be insufficient. Anytime a wreck involves the side pillars collapsing more than several inches, this may indicate a failure in the design or construction of the automobile. Now, number two, seat back failure. A seat back failure occurs when the seat collapses forward or backward or becomes separated from its base. If this happens, the passenger typically is launched forward or backward, or sometimes occupants may submarine when you slide forward under the dash. Other than being ejected, that's about the worst thing that can happen to you. Seat back failures can cause severe injuries, including fractured legs, crush injuries, paralysis, or death. Number three, seat belt failures. If you or a loved one or someone you know was ejected from a vehicle and they were properly belted before the wreck, it may be because of a manufacturing defect with the seat belt. It's imperative in these cases of ejection that you consult an attorney with extensive experience in product liability defect cases. We're here to help, and we know what we're looking for. If you're involved in a case that involves one of these potential defects, it is really important that your car stays around for us to inspect it. That means your first call should be to an experienced law firm who can guide you through the process and make sure that your rights are protected. If you have additional questions, please visit our website at lawmed.com and watch for additional videos in our continuing series on automobile products liability. This is David Henson with HensonFuerst. If you have questions, we have answers.